Do you want to remove your Instagram account from Chrome browser auto login? You can disable auto login from any browser with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove your Instagram account from Chrome auto login. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Removing an Instagram account from Google Chrome auto login means disabling the automatic login feature for that account in the browser. This prevents you from automatically logging into the Instagram account whenever you try to log in the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox web browser. To remove an Instagram account from Google Chrome auto login, first, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Log into your Instagram account using your username and password. Once logged in, you are in the Instagram newsfeed. Next, click on the three horizontal lines menu located in the right corner of the screen. This will open a pop-up menu with various options. From the pop-up menu, click on Settings to access your Instagram settings. Now, scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Account Center section. Click on Account Center. Within the Account Center, locate and click on Accounts from the menu on the left side of the screen. This will display a list of all the login and connected accounts associated with Instagram. Find the Instagram account that you want to remove from Google Chrome auto login. Once you've located it, click on the Remove option next to the account name. A pop-up screen will appear, asking you to confirm your action. Click on the Continue button to proceed with the removal process. Finally, another confirmation screen will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the account. Click on the Yes, Remove button to confirm and complete the process. By following these simple steps, you'll remove the selected Instagram account from the Google Chrome auto login feature. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.